Hey, Matteo here from Flyability. Today we're going to be exploring boiler inspections with the Helios 3 UT drone. Boilers are critical components of power plants and they need to be inspected frequently to avoid costly downtime. An undetected issue may require the plant to be shut down, costing hundreds of thousands in lost revenue. Every year, boilers require a thorough visual inspection of the general condition of the structure and of the burners. Over 250 UT measurements also need to be carried out throughout the boiler. Traditionally, the plant would hire 10 to 15 people to scaffold the asset and then require inspectors to climb up the scaffolding to perform inspections. This means 2,000 hours of work at height and 10 or more days of shutdown. In the last decade, power plants have also started looking for other solutions to perform these inspections. With the Helios 3 drone, inspectors are able to perform a full visual and UT inspection of the boiler in under 50 hours, and with no need for scaffolding. This means that the plant can save around 250,000 euros in inspection and scaffolding costs, and depending on the size of the boiler, another 100,000 to 300,000 euros in reduced downtime. This means a total of around $500,000 in savings just from one boiler inspection. Although avoiding costs and time is important, the biggest benefit of drone inspections is definitely safety. Not having people inside the boiler working at height is a huge improvement for the safety of your workers. Oh, and one last thing. If you're still doubting that the Helios 3 can take UT measurements on the dirty pipes or inside the boiler, check out our webinar with Norwegian-based Returkraft and USA-based TVA and see how they are carrying out visual and UT boiler inspections. Or if you're interested in finding out more about chimney inspections, we have a dedicated video just for that.